guys, welcome to my video. Today I am going to show you how to do the drain pump test in your washing machine. So I had to declog this because it wasn't draining very much properly, and I did drain this pipe before I declogged this pump. So let me show you how to test the pump. So I already showed you guys how to use put the service mode, but let me show you again. RPM. Yes, now we are into service mode, and it is E, now PO1. So let's do PO2, P02. So now that means it will test this drain pump. So let's test it. The pump, drain pump. Now it's doing the drain pump again. I am sure it can be doing on any the machines that start from Logix than the series version. It is chugging, which is a good sign. So guys, if you like my videos, please share and subscribe so don't miss out any new videos. Bye bye.